Hey guys, this is Sir Mars and you are watching Lectures ni Sir Mars. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for video updates.
So, yung first topic natin para sa differential calculus ay differentials. Ayun. So, ano nga ba yung ibig sabihin ng differentials? Okay? So, ito yung problem. So ito yung sasagutin natin. So, habang nasa-solve tayo ng problem, i-explain ko sa inyo kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng differentials. Okay? So, ano yung ibig sabihin, guys, ng differentials? Okay? Okay, so pag sinabi nating differentials, ang ibig sabihin niyan is dy, no? Or di kaya dx. Okay, so pag sinabi natin na differentials, that means change of a function. So ibig sabihin, dy or dx or delta y or delta x, no? So ibig sabihin, guys, ma-solve natin tong problem. So ang sabi sa problem, if y is equals to x raised to 3 halves, what is the approximate change from 8 to 8.02? So ibig sabihin, kung gusto natin makuha yung value ng delta y dito, that is simply y2 minus y1. So, ibig sabihin, meron naman tayong itong binigay dito na function is yun na yung gagamitin natin y. So, ibig sabihin, para makuha natin si y sub 2, that is simply equal to x sub 2 raised to 3 halves. And then, para makuha natin si y sub 1, that is equal to x sub 1 raised to 3 halves. So, yung x sub 1 at saka x sub 2, x sub 1 natin ay 8, and then x sub 2 natin ay 8.02. So, pag sinubstitute natin, guys, no, yung x sub 1 na 8, so, ang mangyayari, anong lalabas dito sa y sub 1? Magiging 22.627417. Okay? So, pakisave lang yan sa inyong calculator. Siguro sa A na lang is save. Okay? And then, let us now solve for y2. Then, para sa y2, isa-substitute natin yung 8.02. Yun yung ating magiging x sub 2. So, bali, 8.02 raised to 3 halves, paki-compute yung ating y sub 2, and y sub 2 is equal to 22.7123228. Okay, so paki-save na lang siya siguro sa B sa inyong calculator. And then all we have to do is i-minus lang yung y sub 2 at saka y sub 1. So yan na yung sagot para sa differentials. Okay? So bali ang mangyayari dito is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 is 0.084905. Okay? So, yung sagot dyan is letter C. No? Sa choices natin, the answer is letter C. Okay? Naiintindihan natin yung ibig sabihin ng differentials, no? Okay? So, merong isa pang solution para dyan. Let us solve that in other way. So, ang given na function sa ating problem is y is equals to x raised to 3 halves. So, again, yung ibig sabihin ng differentials is dy or dx, no? So, dy ang hinahanap natin dito, no? Kasi yung x yung nagkaroon ng change. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, all we have to do is i-differentiate natin with respect to x. So, ang mangyayari dito is dy over dx is equals to ano yung differentiation or differential ng x raised to 3 halves. So, magiging 3 halves then x raised to 3 halves minus 1 is 1 half. Since dy nga yung ating kailangan dito, then mangyayari is dy is equals to 3 halves x raised to 1 half then dx. Tama ba? So, yung x natin dito is yung initial value ng ating x. So, yung initial value natin ay 8. So, yun yung ating x. Tapos, yung ating dx is yung change nung x. So, ibig sabihin, nag-change man yung x from 8 to 8.02. So, ibig sabihin, yung ating dx ay 0.02. Nagkakaintindihan tayo, no? Okay, so, ang mangyayari dito is, dx natin is 0.02. So, substitute lamang dito. So, ang mangyayari is 3 halves times 8 raised to 1 half and then 0.02. So, makakompute natin yung dy and yun na din yung dapat same sila ng value nung kanina. So, ang sagot dito is paki-compute. Actually, mas accurate ito, no? Kasi gumamit tayo ng differentiation. So, ilan yung dy dito? This is equal to 0.08485. Okay? So, ito na nga yung ating sagot. And yung nasa choices nga is 0.08485. So, ayun. So, the answer here is letter C, that is 0.08485.
If this lecture has helped you, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, you can comment below or send your questions to my Facebook page, Lectures ni Sir Mars. I will paste the link in the video description. You can also download the PDF of my lectures and PDF references for civil engineering by visiting my site. The link is also in the video description. Thank you again, guys. Once again, this is Sir Mars, and see you in the next lecture.